about a Mopar here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 440 car. True Challenger RT 440 car also. Of course, you can decode the VIN and tell that. Underneath the hood, 440 Magnum. Does have fuel injection now. Very responsive engine underneath the hood of this one. Also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, vintage AC. AC blows cold. Automatic transmission paired up with that power plant. Take a look at the front grille, chrome. Headlight surrounds, you can see a little more modern headlight with a halo around it. And kind of the amber inner lenses, which look cool with the black and orange paint scheme this one has going on with that shaker hood. Black vinyl top. And we'll get to that in just a bit. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, some of the things we're going to talk about in this walk around video, check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on Vision Legend Series wheels. It also has Willwood brakes at all four corners. We take a peek, and then of course the Mickey Thompson Sportsman STs. Nice looking wheel and tire combination, and you can see the paint shows well on this car. Let's take a look down the passenger side. Interior, black vinyl buckets with the orange piping, so that is a nice highlight with the exterior as far as color combination goes. Center console with those bucket seats. Vinyl roof, nice shape. Now louvers. If you like the louvers, great. They can stay. If not, there is 4 screws. They come right off, and it's just plates in the glass that will come off that they're mounted to. So not a problem there. Either way, we're going to leave them on. Let the next owner of this car decide how they would like it. As you can see, chrome rear bumper looks good. Rear wing, and of course the dual exhaust. We'll get into that exhaust just more in a bit here too. First, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, as far as that dual exhaust, this one does have Flowmasters. As far as the mufflers on it, does have headers. It's a great sounding car. We're going to start it up here shortly, let you hear it run. We're even going to take it out, take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. If you're into these Mopars, maybe you like the early 70s Dodge, Plymouth products, maybe just into Challengers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. You can see the driver's side of this car looks as nice as the passenger side does. That paint has a nice shine to it. Tell it's a well taken care of car. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, and local shows. I have a feeling this one's taken home a few trophies in its day. Take a look at the door panels. Now the bucket seats, you can see that these have been reupholstered, nice shape. Again, the orange piping highlighting exterior of the car. The Challenger RT floor mats, also in the correct color combination. No rips, tears, holes in that vinyl. This car will turn some heads, no doubt about that. The way it looks and the way it sounds, and you're going to find out about how it sounds here real quick. All right. Vintage AC controls built into the dash, very nicely done. Aftermarket Alpine stereo. That is working, wipers working. Alright. Of course, that EFI system, that's going to fire right up. And it has excellent... Oh! Lewis jump on there real quick. All right, so radio is working, obviously. Throttle response. Excellent. Center console. Little NOS looking fire extinguisher. See the ductwork for the AC. Door closes nicely. Told you it was a good sounding car. Little rumble coming out of that 440. And again, a true Challenger RT 440 car. That's the way this was born. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. To get these hood pins out, just pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and like I said, stick around to the very end. We're taking this car for a drive. All right, get a look at the underside of the hood. Great looking engine bay. So aluminum radiator, looks like a Champion brand. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped, and that EFI system, turn the key and go. Car you can drive, like I said, have some fun. Won't be ashamed to open the hood at a show with this one. What a beauty. $1970, Dodge Challenger RT. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Dodge Challenger. Very strong running machine in orange and black. We've got AC blowing cold. Turn signal indicators are working. Excellent power. It's going to get there as fast as you want to get there. This is an automatic with a pistol grip right here on the center console. Tachometer from the factory is working excellent, as is the speedometer. Oil pressure is reading H for high. That's usually good. Alternator is charging above the halfway point on the gauge. The temperature gauge is reading cold. I can't vouch for that working. We do have a factory clock over here. Now the hands aren't moving, but it is equipped. Wipers work. Of course, the blower motor is working because we've got AC going right now. Awesome upholstery in this car, matching the exterior. Nice bucket seats. If you hear a little squeak, that's the steering wheel. Tiny little squeak right when you turn it. Corner's nice and flat, doesn't lean in the corners. This car's ready to go fast. Not a lot of room on the highway to do that, but it is fun to push the throttle down. Really strong running, great condition. 1970 Dodge Challenger. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.